Hey guys, we're back on this Brava tile job. We're finished, and I wanted to show you what it looks like as a finished roof. All new flashing around the chimney, and then all these windows got redone. We put all new metal in here. You can see this black, and then we have a drip edge on here, and then we have a rubber membrane because it's not a lot of roof slope in here. That's the way to do these. Roof slope is super important in roofing. If you don't have the proper slope, you've got to build slope, and then you got to put the right membrane down, and that's what we did on these windows. We got all new membrane in them, all new flashing, new skylights, and then also your field section of the new Brava tile. So if you remember when we were doing the installation video, we showed you the siding and how we tore the siding out. Now the siding's all put back, and if you look along the bottom, you can see the black flashing. It was super important to me to get behind the house wrap, which is behind your siding. So we wanted to get our flashing up behind that. So if you ever get a leak high up above, it'll come over the house wrap and out the top of the flashing. It won't go behind it. I want to show you guys the valley because we have it finished, what it looks like. So we built this valley special. It comes all the way up back into here with a loop on it. So if the water runs up, it'll hit that loop and come out. Very unlikely, but we want to make sure that we're kind of making sure every little thing is covered, all the details. We got an open trough in the middle to get the water out as fast as possible. I love all the black flashing. It's like an accent, just like the windows here. So we've got some black on top of the windows, and then we have all our black flashing throughout the job, and it just turned out super, super slick. You can barely see some of the flashing detail like in this wall. It's almost hidden in there because of the color. So that flashing is a Kynar metal flashing. It's got a baked on paint on it. It's gonna last just as long as a roof. And these are the details that matter that nobody knows about. They would have just put regular flashing in here, regular galvalume flashing. It wouldn't have matched. So the black flashing is very expensive because it's got a baked on paint, but it brought everything together on the roof. So what a great solution for this. This takes detail. As we talked about in the installation video, it takes really special qualified people to do jobs like this. We love to install different products, especially ones that are going to last a long time, because the details is what we're good at, and that's what's going to make this roof last.